वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। नमस्ते बच्चों। आज हम पढ़ेंगे पाठ क्रमांक 1। पाठ का नाम राख की रस्सी। चिल्ड्रन, वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न पार्ट 1 ऑफ दिस लेसन। नाउ वी विल सी पार्ट 2 ऑफ दिस लेसन। बच्चों, हमने इस पाठ के भाग 1 को पढ़ लिया है। अब हम भाग 2 को पढ़ेंगे। तो बच्चों, हमने अब तक क्या देखा? चिल्ड्रन, टिल नाउ what we have learned. Till now what we have learned, children. In part 1 we have seen that Lompogar has gave one challenge to his son, told him to do the challenge and come back to home. What was the challenge, children? What was the challenge? बच्चों, लोम्पोगार ने क्या कहा था अपने बेटे को? What was the challenge? He told, you take 100 of sheep and go to the market and come back with 100 bags of jawar. He kept one condition that you should not sell or you should not kill the sheep, but you should come back with 100 of bags. I don't know what you will do. Whatever you use your intelligence and complete the challenge. He want to take the intelligence of the boy. He have to take the intelligence from his son. He was so much innocent, no? So he want to test his intelligence. Then children, one girl came and started to help that boy. Then what happened, children? That we will see in this part. तो बच्चों, हम अभी भाग 2 के बारे में अब पढ़ेंगे। चिल्ड्रन, वी विल स्टार्ट रीडिंग द सेंटेंस। इतना कहकर लड़की ने भेड़ों के बाल उतारे और उन्हें बाजार में बेच दिया। जो रुपये मिले उसने जौ के बोरों खरीदकर उसे घर वापस भेज दिया। Children, how that girl helped the boy? What she did, children? That sheep will be having hair on the body. See children, in this picture you can see sheep is having hair. That hair, if that hair we take off, what we will get, children? We will get the wool. Yes children, wool we will be getting. If we sell that wool in the market, we will be getting money. Okay children, so same that girl did. What she did, she took the hair of the sheep, all sheep, she took the hair and she sell in the market. Bazaar, market, rupaye, money. She sell that wool and she got money and she buy 100 bags of jawar and gave to that boy and told, now you go to home. Okay children, then what happened? लोम्पोगार के बेटे को लगा कि उसके पिता खुश होंगे, बहुत खुश होंगे. What that son thought, yeah, I completed the challenge. No, now my father will be so much happy. Like that he thought. मगर उसकी आबिती पर उन्होंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. What happened, children? He was not liked this behavior. वे उठकर कमरे के बाहर चले गए. What happened, children? He didn't like this behavior and he gone out of the room. कमरे, room के बाहर चले गए. He gone out of the room. दूसरे दिन उन्होंने अपने बेटे को बुलाकर कहा. Next day what happened? He called his son and told. What he told? पिछली बार भेड़ों के बाल उतारकर बेचना मुझे ज़रा भी पसंद नहीं आया. He told, last time you sell the hair of the sheep, I didn't like that behavior. पसंद, like, नहीं आया. He didn't like. अब तुम दोबारा उन्हीं भेड़ों को लेकर जाओ, उनके साथ जौ के 100 बोरों के साथ ही लौटना। Now he told, you take the same 100 sheep. Now again I am challenging you. You take the 100 sheep again and go to the market again and buy 100 bags of jawar. This time what you will do I don't know, but you have to complete the task. See, he was so much sad, that boy. Then children, what happened? एक बार फिर निराश लोम्पोगार का बेटा शहर में उसी जगह जा बैठा. That boy, what happened? Nirash. Children, Nirash means what, children? Nirash means sad. That sad boy sat again in the roadside in the city market and he go and sit. जा बैठा. बैठा means he gone to that place and he sat. न जाने क्यों उसे यकीन था कि वह लड़की उसकी मदद के लिए ज़रूर आएगी. Why don't know, children, but that boy was so much confident that girl will come again and help him. यकीन, so much sure. मदद, help. He was so much sure that girl will come and help him. और हुआ भी कुछ ऐसे ही. वह लड़की आई. And children, happened the same. That boy thought no, that girl will come and help him. Same like that same happened. That girl came. उससे उसने अपनी मुश्किल कह सुनाई. Again that boy told all the problem to that girl. मुश्किल problem. अब तो बिना जौ के 100 बोरों के मेरे पिता मुझे घर में नहीं घुसने देंगे. Children, that boy told, again I have to buy 100 of jawar bags. This time again he will not allow me to enter in the home. घुसने means, children, to enter. नहीं घुसने, he will not allow to enter in my home. Now what I will do, don't know. लड़की सोचकर बोली. That girl thought. सोचकर means, children, to think. She thought something and she said, एक तरीका है. She said, एक तरीका है. तरीका means, children, solution. She told, there is one solution. उसने भेड़ों के सींग काट लिए. उसने भेड़ों के सींग काट लिए. Children, see how sheep are having wool on their body. They are also having seeng. Seeng means what? Horn. See, 2 horns every sheep is having, children. So what that girl did, she cut off the horns of the sheep and she sell it in the market. She got some amount and she buy 100 bags of jawar. उसने भेड़ों के सींग काट लिए. उन्हें बेचकर जो रुपए मिले उसने 100 बोरों जौ के खरीदे. बोरे लोम्पोगार के बेटे को सौंप कर लड़की ने उसे घर भेज दिया. That girl, what she did, she cut off the horns of the sheep. She sell in a market. She got some amount and she सौंप कर means, children, to hand over. She hand over all the 100 bags of jawar and told, see, your problem is solved. Now you take these bags and go to your home. Then what happened, children? See, in this picture you can see that boy was so much sad and that girl helped him and suggesting him to go back to your home. Then children, भेड़े और जौ के बोरे पिता के हवाले करते हुए लोम्पोगार का बेटा खुश था. That boy was so much happy, children. He was so much happy that again I completed the task and I win. उसने विजयी भाव से सारी कहानी कह सुनाई. See children, he was so innocent, he told everything to his father again. Vijayi bhav means children successfully. He was so happy and he told all the story to his father. सुनकर लोम्पोगार बोले. He heard everything. He heard all the story. सुनकर means children to heard, to hear all the story and told. उस लड़की से कहो कि हमें 9 हाथ लंबी राख की रस्सी बनाकर दे. He gave one challenge to girl. This time he gave challenge to girl. What he gave a challenge? He told that girl to make 9 हाथ लंबी राख की रस्सी, 9 foot long rope of ash. He told to make 9 foot long rope of ash. उसके बेटे ने लड़की के पास जाकर पिता का संदेश दोहरा दिया. What happened children? That Lompogar's son gone to that girl's place and he gave the message. Sandesh means children message. Dohrara to tell. He tell the message of his father. लड़की ने एक शर्त रखी. That girl kept one condition. शर्त means children condition. मैं रस्सी बना तो दूंगी. That girl told I will make the rope. मगर तुम्हारे पिता को वह गले में पहननी होगी. She told now I will make the rope very easily, but this time your father have to wear that rope. That mala you have to wear. लोम्पोगार ने सोचा ऐसी रस्सी बनाना ही असंभव है. That Lompogar's son came. That girl told like this father. That father told no one can make this rope of ash, so it is impossible. Asambhav, impossible. So he told okay, I'll accept the challenge. इसलिए लड़की की शर्त मंजूर कर ली. मंजूर means children to accept. He accepted that girl's challenge also. Then what happened? अगले दिन लड़की ने 9 हाथ लंबी रस्सी ली. उसे पत्थर के सील पर रखा. That girl what she did children? She took 9 foot long normal rope and she kept on the big stones. She arranged the 9 foot rope on the stones और जला दिया. And children she burnt the rope. रस्सी जल गई. The rope was fully burnt. मगर रस्सी के आकार की राख बच गई. Children, if we burn the rope, we will be getting the ash of the same shape. How that rope is there, the same shape we will be getting after it is burnt. So same that girl also fire the rope and she got the rakh. She got the ash of the same shape of the rope. इसे वह सिल समेट लोम्पोगार के पास ले गई और उसे पहनने के लिए कहा. That girl somehow managed. That was not fully ash, but somehow she little bit, it was the little bit rope it was left over. Children, if we burn little bit we can take. No, somehow she managed and took, but it was very in a bad condition. No one can wear it. It was so much thin powder it was. लोम्पोगार रस्सी देखकर चकित रह गए. He was so much shocked. चकित means children to shocked. He was so much shocked to see the rope of ash. वे जानते थे कि राख की रस्सी को गले में पहनना तो दूर उठाना भी मुश्किल है. He know that no one can wear. Even if we are wearing, we can't even take the rassi. How can I wear? He was so much shocked. हाथ लगाते ही वह टूट जाएगी। He know very well if I touch that rope it will be break, it will be broken into fully powder, it will be become। लड़की की समझदारी के सामने उसकी अपनी चालाकी धरी रह गई। चिल्ड्रन, he was so much intelligent, no one should stand in front of him, but this girl was so much intelligent and so much understandable, she learnt one lesson to लोम्पोगार। लोम्पोगार को उस लड़की ने एक अच्छी से पाठ पढ़ा दिया। बिना वक्त गवाए लोम्पोगार ने अपने बेटे की शादी का प्रस्ताव लड़की के सामने रख दिया। चिल्ड्रन, विदाउट एनी थिंकिंग ही गेव वन रिक्वेस्ट। प्रस्ताव, he requested girl that please marry my son. If an intelligent girl like you marry my son life will be very happy and without problem my son will live। लड़की ने उस प्रस्ताव को मान लिया। That girl accepted that request। धूमधाम से उन दोनों की शादी हो गई। धूमधाम, very grandly both of them married each other। So children, in this lesson what we learn, the moral of the lesson, children, we should not be overconfident। We should be confident on us, but we should not be overconfident। We should not underestimate anyone। We should not think very what that boy will do, what that girl will do, like that we should not think। We should, everyone is equal, everyone is talented, like that we should think। See here in this lesson one small girl taught a lesson to लोम्पोगार। Yes or no children? Yes। तो बच्चों, इस पाठ में हमने क्या पढ़ा? इस पाठ में हमने पढ़ा कि हमें अपने आप पर आत्मविश्वास रखनी चाहिए, पर बहुत रखने से हमें आपत्ति हो सकती है। हमें दूसरों को नीच नहीं दिखाना चाहिए। हमें सभी को समान रखना चाहिए, सभी को अच्छे से मान देना चाहिए। हमें किसी को भी अपमान नहीं करना चाहिए। ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ वी विल सी द exercises related to this lesson। Children, we will see the shabdartha। Shabdartha means children meaning। बाजार, market। बाज़ाइर, market। राइक, राख। ash, रस्सी, rope। Children, I will tell one thing how to read, children। See, if it is a word given that we will read with using the matra, but in that word last word is not having any matra, means we will read as half letter। Okay children, I will read and show। ba ja ir, no matra to ra, so ir, bajar। Ra, also here kha is not having any matra, so we will read as ik, rakh। Ra is see, rassi। Ma, the। Children, here also the having no matra, so we will pronounce as half letter id, madad, madat। asambhav, asambhav। paittir, patthar। मारना, सड़क, सड़क। विजयी, विजयी। Okay children, like that। Now we will read the shabdartha। बाजार, market। राख, ash। रस्सी, rope। मदद, help। असंभव, impossible। पत्थर, stone। मारना, to kill। सड़क, road। विजयी, successful। खरीदना, to buy। चालाकी, clever। मशहूर, famous। समस्या, problem। चिंता, tension। Then children, we will read the opposites word we will read ulte shabd dur pass. Dur means children far away, pass means near. Dur pass. Ana come, jana go, uthna get up, बैठना sit. संभव possible, असंभव impossible. सुखी happy, दुखी sad. आगे front, पीछे back. ऊपर up, नीचे down. So one more time I will read and show. दूर पास, आना जाना, उठना बैठना, संभव असंभव, सुखी दुखी, आगे पीछे, ऊपर नीचे. Okay children, now we will read match the following. सही मिलान कीजिए. सही means correct, मिलान match it. Now we will match the Hindi words with its English meanings. शहर city, बेटा son, लड़की girl, भोला innocent, चिंता tension. Children have given the straight answer. So what are they? शहर city, बेटा son, लड़की girl, भोला innocent, चिंता tension. So I hope children you have learnt this lesson very nicely. तो बच्चों मुझे यहीं पर विदा दीजिए. Children we will meet in our next session. Thank you children. धन्यवाद बच्चों.